These kids, they're just.
Are you gonna look on the camera? No.
So what we'll do now is do some raffle.
I mean, I'm holding something. Oh, you're doing that.
All right. All right. Good evening again and happy Diwali. मजा आ रहा है? I want to see louder. मजा आ रहा है? All right. There are a lot more programs.
वो पीछे से नहीं आ रहा है.
पीछे से नहीं आ रहा है? Now slow. मजा आ रहा है अभी? All right. Hey, happy Diwali again. Lot more programs to come. We don't want to take a lot of time. I know everybody is enjoying these programs. For this evening, a lot of people actually we need to thank for, and we'll be doing that as the evening progresses. This is Gadi, in case some of you don't know. This is Arjun Kamarshu. Has been a partner in the crime for a long time.
Yeah, about 13 years now, right?
Yeah, this has been 13 years. This is the 13th year we're celebrating this. And thank you to all of you really for your support. And every year this program gets better and better. Every year we get more and more participation. And every year now, for the last 3 or 4 years, we have to really say no to people to come and join with us in the evening because of the restriction and the capacity restriction on the hall. So, thank you to all for all the patience and bringing in new friends, new leadership. Appreciate all that. This evening, we have a special guest with us, Dr. Shobha Jain, if you can join with us, please, and Sanjeev. For some of you who may not know, they have been taking a much bigger initiative than what we do here, right? They are starting an Indian community center right here in Simi, like any other community center you might have seen. I would like to thank them for coming on a very short notice, really, and talk to us for a minute, maybe, please.
Hi, hello everybody. It's my pleasure that you guys invited us here. We opened up a community center, India Community Center in Simi Valley on Royal Avenue and Arranger, and we would love to promote Indian community here. So everybody is welcome and give their opinions and participate in it.
The community center is already in place, and different groups are finding space there. They have Hindi classes now. They're doing computer classes. We are hoping that we'll have some cultural activities there as well. We have a hall where you can promote community functions. We have room for Pilates classes, yoga classes, Bollywood nights, and a huge campus, essentially for functions. In the future, we hope to build an Indian temple right in the front. So please, whoever has time, please go check it out. The address is 1925 Royal Avenue. The center is open for work, and hopefully with the community participation, we'll make it grow into a real center. Thank you.
Thank you. Please give a big round of applause. And thank you again. Before you leave the stage, I'd like to do a couple of raffles for the evening. Hope everyone in this hall have registered in the welcome desk there, have got their tickets for dinner, as well as their raffle ticket. They are put there in that. Jyoti, if you can bring that raffle ticket basket, please. We'll be doing three raffles. Arjun, please take over and do the raffle.
Okay, I need a kid volunteer here. Okay, everyone will get a chance. Let me close my eyes and pick somebody here, okay? Second row, third girl. Who is it? Come on in.
All right, all the raffle tickets are here. See, pick one. Pick one. All right. What is the number?
The ticket number is 150.
150. Jyoti, can you quickly check who is 150? The name? Prasad? Nisha Pathak.
Nisha Pathak.
Murli is having. Nisha Pathak, are you there? Please come quick. Let's do the next one while.
Okay. Aman Khan. Big one.
Nisha, please come.
180.
Okay.
180. Jyoti, who is 180? Sitaram ready?
Sitaram Reddy.
Wow.
This guy came just now and he won an award for coming late.
Sitaram. Okay, while he's coming,
Okay, number 3. Anusha.
Do you want that? This one is 144. 144.
You should be counting here, okay?
144. Jyoti.
Naveen and Reach.
Naveen or Richa? Naveen. Naveen, are you there? Richa is here. Okay. Richa.
Sitaram, where are you?
All right.
All right. So, this is it for now.
Yeah. This is it for the timing, and we'll be doing more apples.
Yeah.
And thank you again, Dr. Jain and Mrs. Jain. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you,
Appreciate
thank you,
that. Thank you. Please give them a round of applause, please. Again.
Sit.
Thank you.